I introduce a game that is similar to Superliminal. The main mechanism of Superliminal is the player can change the object's size to solve the puzzle and passing the game. The game have an interesting algorithm to balance between the size and the distance, so it's hard for players to notice the size of the object is already changed. My game is compatible with every Superliminal game level because it also can change the object size, but using different illusion and a different way. The bottom is our game view. You can see we can switch between orthogonal and perspective camera. We can hold objects just like Superliminal. If we are holding an object, we'll transition from orthogonal into perspective view. The object we are holding will still looks like it's in the orthogonal view, while everything else looks perspective. If you drop the object and walk around, you will find this phenomenon is because we changed the shape of the object. We could go to the other side and doing the same thing again. The cube will back to its original shape, kind of, but larger, because object shape is proportional to the camera views. So the operation can be reversed, or we can make things smaller by transition to the orthogonal view. If we repeat what we just did, you will find the player created a way to reach the second level, which is not possible to only use the recess function from Superliminal. We made this demo during the Sunday after the game Jam 1, so the part of this demo is to demonstrate even no one made it, but it's possible. We are using some deformations. So you can see from the right side, I also reserve a lot of the parameters. So maybe if you think the demo looks not realistic or some texture is off, the possible fix is just by changing the parameters.